Hello, instructions for financial calculator using payment, present value, and future value. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. So there are three worksheets: payment, present value, and future value. We've done payment value quite often. So here's the loan for $100,000 at an interest rate at 5% for 120 payments, which is for 10 years. So it's already calculated 10 years times monthly payments, 12 is 120. So go ahead and click in B9 and choose formulas. I'm going to use recently used, and there's payment. And the first one is the rate. Remember, it's monthly payments, so divided by 12. The term is 120, so you don't have to type in 12 times 10. That's already in there. And then the principal, present value of the loan, minus, so it's not in red, and the loan amount. And I can see that it's $1,060 monthly payments. So now go to present value. So here I want to know, what is the loan amount if the interest rate is 5%? Again, it's for 10 years with 12 months each year, and this is my monthly payment. So I want to find out, well, what was the loan amount? So in B4, you'll go to financial, and you're looking for present value. So again, the rate is 5% divided by 12 monthly payments. The term is 120, which is 10 years. And what is the payment amount? And that's the monthly payment amount is in here. And you'll click it. It's off a few cents, but that's okay. And you'll click OK. So it's, and again, if you want that, don't want it in red, just put the minus sign and it won't be in red. So it's just off a few cents here. So it's a $100,000 loan. The last one, future value. So here's the loan amount at the same interest rate. Term in years, 10 years, and it's monthly payments of 12 months each year at an amount of $1,060. So the future value is the investment based on this constant interest rate and periodic payment. It determines what the investment will be worth in a future date, considering factors such as the interest rate and number of periods and periodic payments. So in this one, click in B10, we'll go to financial, and we're looking for future value. In here, the rate again, divided by 12, the number of the term of the term is 10 times the compounding, and then the payment amount is the $1,060, and then you can see right here it's $164,000, and then go ahead and click OK. Again, I forgot my minus sign so that I don't have it in red. So what they're assuming that this $100,000 loan at the end of the term of this, it may be worth $164,000. And that usually has to deal with like mortgages. Your house does increase in price. So if you wanted to check this, you could go to a loan calculator, and I just had a sample one in here. So if you go to this website and you type in the exact information, it was $100,000. Number of periods, 10. The rate was 5%. And 12 was the compounding interest, 12 months, and just click calculate. And there it is, $164,700. So it does work on any calculator that you tried for future value. And that is a save and submit. Thank you.